To set up the Wi-Fi, press Command until menu is displayed, then press Yes. Enter your user code. Press Command until Wi-Fi setup is displayed. Then press the Select key. There are 3 ways to connect your system to Wi-Fi: WPS, List, and Manual. For WPS, press the WPS button on your router. On your keypad, press the Select key under WPS and the keypad will start pairing. When finished, the keypad will say Connected. For List, press the Select key under List. The keypad will begin searching for all available Wi-Fi connections. Press the Command button to see which ones are available. Once you found your desired network, press the Select key. Enter your password, then press Command. The keypad will begin connecting, then say Connected when finished. For Manual, press the Select key under Manual. Type in the name of the Wi-Fi network, then press Command. The keypad will begin searching. Once found, enter your Wi-Fi password. Press Command, and your keypad will begin connecting. When finished, the keypad will say Connected.